Tugithiaga na mbere gucakaya kuhuruka kwa muthaki wa tene Joe Kadenge. Akenya matiganite no mararuta mawoni ngurani megie uria athaki makora mabati gukorwo makirumbuiyo. Athaki thutha wa gucurira tuciao mathako-ini matiganite, mwandiki mukaru wa ngwataniro ya aruti a wira bururi-ini Francis Atwoli oigite mabati gukorwo makiamukira mishara kuma kuri thirikari, akiuga mundu ta Kadenge na athaki angi maratura miturire ya thina mukiru ona thengia ya gukorwo marutire bururi wira munene.
Those people who played for Kenya immediately after independence those days, they would have been remembered and they would have been put on salary. Even those the Harambee football players, if you want them to produce results, put them on salary like other countries.
Atwoli urogocerire nyumba ya Kadenge meraho ya umuthi mwena wa Mariakani Estate guku mucini wa Nairobi oigite ni ekwaranira na mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta niguo nari kiharo kimwe guku bururi-ini gikorwo gigitanio na njoreno huruku ya gabira ka maguru.
President Kenyatta is not a pretender. We intend to sit with him so that we can name one of our national stadiums after Joe Kadenge.
Joe Kadenge akahurukio Jumamothi yukite kaunti-ini ya Vihiga. Ngiribotera metha ya mathako ya Kameme TV. Ritwa riakwa ni Mugure wa Karuiru.